Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is what is coming next for you. Charms reading. Yes, friends, I have my bag of charms here, and your most requested reading is here. My god, time is flying. The week just went away so quickly. How are you all doing? Are you all well? And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, this is a timeless reading, friends. So whenever you come across this, it will resonate with you. Friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Also, friends, this is for this week, but you can watch it anytime. It will still resonate for you. And astrologically, Mercury will be going direct finally, thank God. Even my nail paints were starting to smudge now, so I'm glad it's resolving this week. And the sun will be moving into Pisces. So those are the big things which are happening. And we'll also look with the charms. I have it here. So let's take a deep breath. Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1. This beautiful yellow card, success. Option number 3, this beautiful green, happiness card. Option number 3, this beautiful change card, orange. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go and check from there. Also, you can choose more than one option, friends. You can also watch the entire video. Yes, friends, if you want to watch the entire reading, you can. So today we'll look at your love, career, everything, friends. Let's see for option number 1, this beautiful success card. Let's see what's happening for you this week. Let's read the card first. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. Wow, this is beautiful. I think love and success both are a big theme for you this week. So let's see. This is a wonderful start. This is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. Yeah, let's see what's going to happen. Then we're going to also look at your charms. Ooh, justice. Yeah, I do. I feel like, this week you start the week feeling a little bit sad. Like, life is very tough on you. You feel like life is not going your way at all. There is some sort of a resentment, I feel. Are you unhappy, pile number 1? I feel you're a little sad. You're a little unhappy. I feel that in your heart chakra, like you are not feeling happy. You want some justice. You feel like some injustice has happened to you, but it has not yet been resolved. Also, listen to this card. Take the time to review the details carefully. You will win in the end. Fair and objective decision. So yeah, you will win in the end. So if you are not winning yet, it is a clear sign that things are not over. Things are not over yet. So don't worry. There is still time for you to succeed. And this is number 8 is also important for some of you. It is your birth date. It is also your life path number 8. This is a very destined week for you. Something you are a little unhappy, but I really feel that you feel like life is tough. Life is being unfair on you. It's hard on you. 7 of spring. Yeah, you have to really fight for things this week, friends. You have to stand up for things you believe in and things you want. Things are not coming easily to you, and you might face this week also that you have to work a little bit extra for your things. I know you don't want to hear it, but this is a good thing when we know that if we work a little bit harder, we can achieve our success, because this is destined for you. So you have to be, don't discourage yourself this week. You are very bold, you are very powerful. Assert yourself, take charge of yourself. Don't back out of your decisions. Don't back down from what you believe in. Courageously stand up for yourself. Yes, friends, this week stand up for yourself. This week work a little harder. This week believe in yourself a little harder, because You are amazing and you are going to achieve your success. I feel like this is 8 and 7, so they are consecutive numbers, 7 and 8. You're very close to achieving some goal, whether it is in love, work, or career. You're very close, but you just are getting impatient right now. So you might be a little impatient this week, but I do feel you will recover. If you keep believing and keep acting this week, you will recover from it. Three of swords, yeah, something is making you unhappy. You feel life is tough. I'd also feel maybe where you are it is snowing a lot or the weather is not so good, so you feel upset about that. You feel someone has hurted you, whether it's family, and it could be a lover, a soulmate. Someone is hurting you actually this week also, or you feel like, why they keep hurting you, why this person keeps hurting me. It could be family, work situation, or a love situation. You are like, why they keep hurting me, why is my life so tough because of these people. But the thing is, friends, you can recover from this. You can recover by standing up for yourself. This situation is making you strong. This situation is making you bolder. So don't back out. You may feel a little sad this week. It's not like you're sad, it's like you are a little disheartened and unhappy. But I think you will recover from it if you believe in yourself, if you are bold, if you take action, if you take charge, take responsibility. That's going to change your life. And in fact, life is not tough for you. Life has a big plan for you because you have chosen the success card. So, life has a big plan for you, especially this week. Chariot, yes, you are moving out of troubles. You are moving out of sadness. You're moving out of people causing you pain, causing you jealousy, envy. I feel a lot of things happening for you, but you will recover from them, friends. You will. Congratulations. And again, number 7. So 7, 8, 3, these are your numbers for this week. 7, confusions, Neptune, high emotions, 3, communications, 8, destiny. So all this is your theme. You're like, why they hurt me? Because it's destiny. Life is bad. No. You're gonna recover from it, friends. You definitely gonna recover. In fact, traveling will help you. Any kind of movement will help you, whether you dance this week or take a walk. I also see you traveling, someone traveling towards you. I think any sort of travel will be very, very helpful for you this week. So get out and get something done because it will help you. It will change your mood. It will help you feel happy and active. Also, I feel like someone is traveling towards you, maybe a past lover or some work opportunity, something that was out of your reach is coming towards you. Let's read the card. Success that comes from dedication and self discipline, celebrating your accomplishments, being in the spotlight. See, people are not testing you. Actually, they see that you are better than them. That's why they are a little jealous. You are actually doing quite good in your life, friends, and you are very close to achieving a lot of success. That's why people around you are hurting you because they see you are successful, they see you are happy, they see you have something they don't have. And this week you can recover from all that because you have the chariot. You will recover. You will recover from past losses. You will recover from emotional losses and you will recover from any sort of disappointment. So, woohoo! And traveling is important. I feel traveling. You will be traveling somewhere, or you are waiting to travel somewhere. You want to shift, relocate, buy a home, buy a vehicle, buy a car, but you are like waiting. You are waiting for something. Renewal again. The Judgment. Yeah, this week, your focus is on a lot on the past, maybe on your childhood also, why people keep behaving this way, why you attracted a lover, why they left you. Some of you may also be in legal issues. If you are, you will find some relief there. Definitely. If your person, your husband, wife, or someone is dealing with legal issues, they will also find some relief. But the thing is, friends, pile number one, I can't even breathe. It's a heavy energy, friends. But you can change it. You can change this. How you can walk, you can go out, you can go out in the nature, you can dance, you can do some gymming, some Zumba, something to get active. And you can also start studying. If you set some goals, make some deadlines, and go for it, because it will help you. I think you are thinking a lot this week. You're thinking too much. You're thinking about the past, why someone hurted you, why they put you in third party, why some family members are toxic. So you are like, why? But I think the solution is within you. You know the solution, that people are what they are. It is just how you behave that matters, how you deal with the situation that matters. Also, you will find a lot of hidden solutions this week. It is like, things don't happen for you, for to you, they happen for you. Do you understand? It's like, you are this amazing. Just imagine if you are a cupcake, a beautiful strawberry cupcake, or whatever cupcake, chocolate, or whatever, vanilla, red velvet, anything. So you are like, why is everyone wanting to smudge my icing? Why everybody wants to harm me? Why is everybody after me? No, I think the situations are happening around you. How you react to them is your choice. So you can change your thinking. By changing your thinking, you can change your future and your past. So keep learning, keep your options open. I also feel someone from the past once is thinking about you. They want to make a move towards you. They want to grab your hand and take you to marriage, or take you to make love with you. But this person is also very scared. They still have some issues to recover from. Maybe there is third party in this connection, or maybe there is family talk, some religion, long distance also, which is becoming a problem. Review the past and present so you can plan a brighter new future, understanding your life purpose. Relationships, releasing judgments of yourself and others. Yeah, let go of the judgments, friends, whether it is you or someone else. Let them go. I also feel someone from the past is trying to make a move towards you, but they are a little hesitant. They are still a little hurt, so they are a little scared whether to move towards you and call you. But there is the intention to call you, message you, and have you. Yeah, seven of summer decisions. A lot of decisions are on your mind, a lot of thoughts. I don't see you sleeping well this week. So take some time to relax, sleep, and ground your energy. No more procrastinating. Your power comes from making a decision. See, make a decision. Confusion that arises from overanalyzing the options. Yeah, you are thinking a lot, pile number one. Why so much thinking? Believe in action. Whew. All right. I feel again a seven energy, friends. There are two sevens, and oh my god, there are three sevens actually here. Lot of I see, this is like, maybe some of you are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces yourself, or your moon sign or your Venus or Mars sign is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We are also moving in the Pisces season. Sun is moving in the Pisces this week, so it is all affecting you, like making you feel extra emotional. But you can change it, friends. You can change it by believing in yourself, by taking charge of the situation, also by getting out of the situation. Why? How? You can walk, you can go out, changing your routine, changing, relocating, something like that. It will help you. Also, all these things are in your mind. Some decisions are definitely there. So you will have to deal with some decisions, whether to leave, whether, even if you are a student, you are like what you should study, whether you have studied the right thing, whether you will get good grades or not. So a lot of thinking is there. Yeah, see, King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you are dealing with somebody very emotional. You yourself are very emotional this week. I definitely feel there is a person who is missing you. It could be someone from your past, someone from your childhood, a soulmate, twin flame, someone you were once married with. They are missing you a lot. You are also missing them a lot. Maybe you are disappointed this person didn't wish you on the Valentine's or something, or you were just upset why things are not working out with this person. But I think this person wants to talk to you, but they are still not, they want to talk to you, they want to fix things with you, but they need a little bit more time. They need some more time, so don't worry, they will come when the time is right. Until then, you believe in yourself. Ace of Autumn, yeah, some of you are worried about work. So you are going to get some new work opportunities. So congratulations for that. I feel some of you are very worried about whether you will find work or not, whether to change a career or not, whether to leave the job or change the job or not. You can check out your February love and work of horoscopes. You keep telling me, friends, I don't do for work. I always know none of the readers read for love and work. It's extra work for us. None of them. I have seen so many. I have checked because you all were telling me I don't do work. I do work in all the monthly horoscopes in both the languages. It's double the amount of work for me in both languages. I do work as well as love every month for all the 12 signs. So it's 24 signs. But I know you all will find some fault. So I think I should select file one. Okay. So you should look, friends. Sometimes you don't look, and that's why you don't find things. So this is exactly how this week is. Instead of feeling emotional and sad, try to find solutions, and you are going to find some money, some money coming your way, some support coming your way, some people coming your way who will help you, especially in your career and your work. A windfall of money, advice, or assistance from others is coming towards you. A very successful project and a happy change in your career is coming. So, a new start is coming. You are very, very close to it, friends. You need to have a little bit of patience. I feel like maybe this month or after this month, things will definitely shift for you. If you are planning for a change in your life, or if you are waiting for something new or relief from this energy, something will shift. So keep your patience and remember this. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. So focus on the love. Self love is the first love that you need to focus on. Let's see your oracles, and then we're gonna look at your charms. Action number 17. Yes, friends, again, this is. You are feeling a little stuck because you are not taking action, friends. Any action, whether it is to change your routine or to change the time you sleep, or just going out for a walk or changing your friends, whatever action you take this week, it will help you. The goddess of the moon, number 52. Your emotions are super, super high. Super, super high this week. And that also means your creativity will be very high. If you are manifesting anything, you will be able to achieve it. So go for it. And try to balance your emotions with your actions. Action and passion. Balance it. What else? Let's see. Number 52 is also important. Pleasure, yeah, focus on the happy things in life, friends. Focus on focus on being happy. Sometimes we get trained to feel unhappy. Life is like that. Life is tough for everybody, but we have to train our minds to make it happy. So go for it. Find something that makes you happy. Maybe a movie, a song, painting, dancing, and some sort of a pleasure is coming. Something will make you happy. Some relief is definitely coming. All right, courage, yeah, be courageous, friends. Take the first step. You know what to do. You just need the courage to go ahead and do it. So go ahead and do it. You are going to be successful. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna look at your charms. And I think this is also for love. Somebody needs the extra courage to come towards you and propose you or say sorry to you. Let's see. Have faith in your dreams. Waxing crescent moon. Oh my god. Yes, friends, this is a perfect time to, believe in yourself, have faith in your dreams, and, don't be too hard on yourself. Don't say destiny is not with me. Destiny is actually with you. It is you not being with yourself. So, believe in your dreams. You can achieve it. Don't give up on yourself. Definitely not. And let's see your charms. Option number one. What will happen for them? Let me see. Alright, we have a lot of charms. Let's see. I don't know why I want to pull you in the romance angels because I see something related to love is going on. Let me pull a romance angels. So let's see your romance angels message, friends. So let's see your romance angels message for pile number one. Forgiving and learning. See, you need to forgive somebody, friends, and they want your forgiveness also. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in the present moment. Yeah, see, this is important for you. I was feeling that somebody wants your apology, and also you need to forgive them. Wow, lots of charms came out. Yeah, something will make you happy. I'm so glad for this came out. Something will make you happy, like blush, blush. Good, congratulations. You deserve it. Okay, don't go there. Let's see what else. Wet, yeah, some of you could be missing your pet animals, your pets, your, your dog, your cat, or maybe, you are dealing with a healer, a doctor, or something like that. There is also a DG. VET, they are the initials for you. Number 23 is important. Number 15 is also important for you. What else? Okay, so hello, I'm yours. So yeah, your heart also belongs to somebody, and somebody is also missing you, friends. They are not telling you, but they are missing you a lot. Don't forget to save. Yeah, friends, I think this is I feel like you may have saved a lot of negative memories or thoughts about people. It is time to let them go. Say bye bye to past memories or something that's weighing you down. Because a lot of good things are coming your way. A fresh start is here. So focus on that. Something will happen that will make you happy. So focus on those things. Let's see. You have the music, this headphones charm. So music is very important. Maybe you are you want to make a career as a musician or something, or you are dealing with a musician. you know that's what I feel. I also feel music can help you to feel positive. So focus on that. Yeah, money is coming your way. This is the wheel of fortune. Money, destiny. Money is coming. Destiny is definitely with you. The Leo, the lion. Be bold, friends. Be bold. Believe in yourself. Also, your I was going to say something. I got a message, but now it's not coming. This line is also, you could be dealing with someone Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. Cowboy, the hat. Yes, friends, I think you should listen to some country songs or some sort of, you are dealing with someone who's quite a fragile person, or they are quite a egoistic person. So someone is behaving like, I don't care, I'm like cowboy, I'm a cowboy, a cowgirl. I have, maybe you are like that. You have basic values, you want basic things, you are not expecting too much from people, so you are right. But some people are still hurting you. So don't, cowboys, they are carefree. They don't give a care to anything in life. That's how you need to be. The snowflake wish is coming true. Heart, yes, take care of your heart. Butterfly, positive changes are coming. The moon, again, friends, the moon is the charm for emotions. You also have the goddess of moon. Take it slow, turtle. You are on the right path. Flower, think happy thoughts. And again, you have a butterfly. So I feel there is a person who is changing with you. You and a situation, both are changing. But keep your patience. Yeah, keep working on your goals and dreams. The lady with the water can, keep working. You are very close to achieving your goals. Oh wow, the dove. Look at that. The dove. The peace, the apology. I think someone wants to apologize with you or to you. Someone wants to say sorry. Someone might offer some peace. Someone might offer you some compliments. It could be a work colleague, it could be a lover, a family person. So, yeah, nice. Owl. Yeah, listen to your intuition, friends. Listen to your intuition. Be intelligent this week. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't be too emotional. And made with love. Wow, something is, you're very dedicated to your work and career this week. So don't, and you have also, you have come very far, friends. So believe in yourself. Also, someone wants to give you something, a gift, or something like, they want to offer you something. The bow, some of you are worried about not having a child, or you are having trouble in expanding your family, or you feel like others are having kids. When is your time? You are single. I think something is coming your way, so don't give up. The celebration, yeah, some of you might be celebrating your birthday. The bottle, the champagne bottle is here. So some of you are celebrating your birthday, or someone's birthday is coming. So yeah, happy birthday. This also feels like bottled feelings. Someone is keeping a lot of feelings for you but not telling you. Again, you have all the love charms here. Look at this. Made with love. You have two made with love. So I think someone desperately loves you, friends, but just that they don't want to tell you, or they are not able to tell you. You have two made with love charms. So maybe there are two people who are in love with you. Yeah, twin flames. You could be dealing with a twin flame. The elephant. Focus on the baby elephant. Focus on the happiness. Focus on the happy side. Ooh, the weed. So maybe some of you or someone near you is dealing with addictions, depression, anxiety. You can heal, friends. You can heal. Drink green tea, do yoga, and be very strong about healing yourself. Growth, yes, your money is going to expand, that's for sure. And these leaves, they are like thoughts, Listen, also, this is an eye. So, someone is keeping an eye on you through your social media. Also, all these leaves are things you need to let go of, things you need to say bye bye. Baggage, you are carrying some baggage, say bye bye. Father, yeah, I did felt here when King of Cups came. Father figure is important to you. Also, I told number 52 that could be the age. You could be dealing with a father or a boss or something like that. Blue is important for you. Seven of Wands. Here is the card, Seven of Wands. Keep working, friends. Don't give up. Eight of Wands, communications are coming. UK is important, yes. Maybe some of you are dealing with a person who is in UK. Venus, focus on the beautiful things in life. And Six of Wands, success is coming, friends. A lot of success is coming. And green, healing is coming. Wow, friends, this is quite a week for you. Whew. I wish you a very, very happy week, and do take care of yourself, and make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you choose option number 2, let us see what is coming next for you. Charms reading. I will be pulling your charms shortly. Let's see what's going to happen this week, or what's next for you. Let's see that. Happiness. I am aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. Wonderful, friends. This is beautiful. Yes, friends. Happiness is very important, and you are on the right path. So some of you are doubting your path, whether you are going on the right direction or not. So that's a confirmation. And these are your oracle messages and the advice. And I will be pulling your charms also, so don't worry. Let's see your cards. Oh, very busy week. Eight of Autumns. You start the week feeling very busy, and your focus is on work, on your, your everyday life, your career, your education, your money. You are very focused on making your life better. I think some of you have started a new business or new idea or a new creative hobby. You are very focused on it, very, very focused on it. And I think you will enjoy learning that thing or expanding that thing. So this is definitely a very busy week for you. I also see some long hours at work, so get ready. You are going to work a lot this week, study a lot also. Some guests I see are coming, or maybe you might have to deal with your grandparents or someone older, like your neighbors or somebody like that. This week is you have a lot of things to do, take care of, so it's exciting. But I also see money coming your way. A lot of money is coming for you, or at least you're working hard for achieving a lot of money, a success in future. Two of autumn, oh my god, yes, a very very busy week. You will have to really work hard to balance your home, your balance your work and career, because I think you are going to be busy. You might have some guest at home, or you might go somewhere even at work. So you're busy at work, you're busy with your family and friends. So whew, get a breather, take some rest also. I also feel if you are not you should plan well. That will help you to manage things well. Otherwise, I see like you might, this week you are like doing things at the last minute. So you last minute rush, I don't know what you are doing. Maybe you didn't studied for the exam, or you thought, you will finish the course, but you were not able to. So you're like last minute, last minute, last minute. I feel that anxiety within you, that ooh, last minute. Okay, so yeah, lot of busyness. Let's read the card. Bring fun into everything you do. Yeah, you feel a little tired, you feel a little anxious. So bring fun into everything you do. Happiness. Juggling multiple priorities or jobs, an exceptional talent for multitasking. So yeah, some of you may be trying to get two jobs, or you are trying to study while you are working. So it's not fun, but I think you can enjoy it, because this is the time you have, so you enjoy it. Let's see what else. Ooh, 10 of summer. Yeah, your family is gonna keep you very busy, especially if you're married. You will have a lot of happy times with your lover, your husband, your wife, your twin flame. And even, happiness for you this week is to think about the past, good happy days with your lover, with your twin flame. Also, family is very important this week. They are keeping you busy. I see a family event happening, an anniversary, your own birthdays, or someone, your grandparents, some guests are coming, something is happening with the family also. Everyone is keeping you busy. All right. And emotionally fulfilling family, an emotionally fulfilling life with family or friends, raising children wisely, people whom you can trust. Wow. So I do feel you have people that are trustworthy around you. So you don't have to worry about that. You can actually share your extra work with someone around you, ask for help. But you are busy. This is a very busy week. Five of spring. Yeah. There will be some difference of opinion, friends, this week, some difference of opinion, whether it is with family or maybe at your work. Someone and you are, even though, things are overall good, but, this person, maybe from family or a lover, someone is having a different view than you. Like maybe someone is telling you, why you keep studying all day, why you keep working all day, you should get married, you should get, you should be having family, you should be working, you should not be watching TV. So there are people who are telling you a lot many things this week, and you're not gonna like it will make you angry. Okay. Yeah, it's, you're not gonna like it, friends, especially when they are doing like this, like, why are you doing that, you should be doing this, so there will be a lot of people giving you a lot of advice. You're gonna not like it. You might say something to them while as angry person, or like, in your anger. You might there are difference of opinions, and opposing goals arising from differing opinions, feeling at odds with yourself or others, overly emotional people. So yeah, people are like, everybody wants a bit of you. If you are not able to give them time, people are like, why can't you give us time? The dreamer, I see you are very busy with starting something new. Maybe it's a work, maybe it's a new project, Also, you feel very excited, with your life, with your future. You feel excited, you want a fresh start, so you're busy making your future, thinking about your future, making your future bright. But people may not understand it. People in your friends, your family, or maybe someone elderly might not understand why you are doing something or what are your choices. But it's okay, keep doing what you are doing because you're gonna be successful in it. I also feel there is somebody from long distance important to you. Also, some of you don't want this past person. You are looking for a fresh new romance, a fresh new connection, someone you can rely, someone you can trust, someone you can end up moving in or having a family together, getting married, settling down. So you are, there are two things. With if you're already in a relationship, there is some tussle going on, some arguments. But if you are single, you want somebody new, you don't want anybody from the past, you are done with them, you are like, nah, not listening, not even listening. Also, I feel some of you will be bringing some new pets or something, birds or something like that, cats or something, or you want to have that in the future. Some of you want to buy something also, but you are putting it in the future, you're working to achieve it. High Priestess, again the focus is on learning. You are learning a lot. Keep your eyes open. What you need is being shown to you, revealed to you. Listen to your intuition, when to fight, when not to fight, how to behave, also how much you are working. I feel you are working a lot. So take time to pause also, take time to read also, take time to relax also. Listen to your intuition. I feel like you have moved on from somebody, but you still feel telepathically very, very connected to that person. Yeah, I feel you have moved on from somebody, but you feel still very connected. Maybe they were married to you, or you were twin flames, or you once dated, you were very strongly in relationship with each other, but you still feel connected with them, although you have moved on from them. Or they have moved on and married somebody else, but you both have this intense connection still. The wheel of fortune, positive changes are coming, friends. Your hard work is going to pay off. Money is coming, some luck is coming your way. All those people who are fighting or telling you don't do something, they are going to be taken by a shock and surprise, because you are gonna rise and shine, my friends. Delays are over. Sudden or unexpected good luck will come your way. A new car or travel. Yeah, I do feel you're planning, you're working to buy some new cars or buying some new home. Also, you're working to make your future, increase your money. Also, I feel some of you are preparing for exams or job interviews. Keep preparing. Don't give up. And you will be lucky, you will be lucky. You will get through the exam or the interview calls, you will get the job. Maybe you are starting a new job this week, but you will be very good at it. So don't worry. The Four of Spring, yeah, marriage is important for some of you. Twin flame connections are important. People from different religion, culture. You could also be dealing with a same sex relationship, or a twin flame connection, a divine masculine or feminine this week. I feel marriage is a big issue this week. Like, people are telling you to get married. If you are married, there are some issues, arguments happening. Like, you can't work. They want you to work. Like, they are busy. You are busy. So something is happening. People are asking you if you are single to get married. Also, some of you may go to a wedding this week or in the coming days. You are planning for it. Or your friends are getting married. So that is also there. So let's see what else. Let's see your oracle messages. So home is very important to you, friends. Home, work, studying, listening, planning for the future. All these things are very important. Just keep your patience this week. Also, delegate things, don't take too much stress. And deceit number 25, yeah. Someone has cheated on you, friends. Someone has cheated on you. They left you and got married to somebody else, or they are, promising you love, but they are not giving you their time. So you listen to your intuition. You will know when someone is telling you the not the truth, lies. I won't want to use that word lies, but listen to, your intuition. If someone is lying to you, you will understand it. Especially related to money, someone will tell you they will give you this money or payments, or they will ask you for some money for bills, etc. But the payment, check the calculations, it may be off. Someone is dishonest, but listen to your intuition, it will protect you. Walking away, number 27. I told you, friends, you will not take anybody who is, you are not settling for less. You are ready for somebody new. You are not going to wait for these dramas, for this past person. Maybe some of you are not even wanting to get married. You want more time. If you are seeing marriage proposals or dating somebody, you may walk away from them. So there is a lot of energy of number 25, 27 are important. 10, 10 are also here, so number 10 is important. You may have a life path number 1 or number 11. Let's see what else. So walk away from drama, friends. That is also, I feel, walk away from drama, because you are already so busy. You don't need extra worry in life. New beginnings, yes, friends. You are moving towards a new start in your life, in your career, in your love life, and you should go for it. Protection, you are very protected. You are very, very safe and protected, so don't worry. People may scare you, this will happen, that will happen, but you are safe. Universe is saying to you, you are safe, you are protected. Let's see your advice, and then we're gonna listen to your take your charms. Okay. Ooh, a new romantic cycle begins for you. New moon in Libra. Wow, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini this week. Or you could be yourself an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could also be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo person. A new romantic cycle is starting. So something new is starting for you this week and in the coming days. Maybe a new relationship, maybe a new lover, or a new job, or something is going to happen. Let me just pull some Romance Angels cards for you. Okay. Finances and career, yeah, exactly how it is. You start the week feeling busy, busy, busy. Your focus is on work. People are telling you to get married. Your lover is asking you for time. Maybe they are also busy. So you are like, what's going to happen? Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Yep, exactly. What else? Past life relationship, you have known each other before. Yeah, you are feeling this person pulling you back. Someone keeps pulling you back. Maybe who is married, you both are married, or this person is married, or they are in a long distance. But there is a new start happening, a win-win outcome, a new romantic cycle will begin for you, maybe with this new person or with this past person. So let's see your chance. Option number 2, what will happen? Option 2. Alright, let's see. Wow, you have the blush charm here. So you have very few letters. Both the letters are go. Like go, yes, go for it. Don't stop. Go for it. You have a lot of these small cards. Wow, something is going on. Let's see, friends. Okay, so you have the health chart here. So maybe some family members need your help or support because of their health issues, or you might hear from some family members they have some health issues, like your grandparents or your lovers or someone in the family, or their health is recovering. That is what I feel. Let us see the numbers. Number 19 and number 18. 18, 19 are important. So it could be you have teenage children, 18, 19, or they are dates. 18, 19 important. Bouquet, wow. Someone new is coming. Some gifts are coming for you, friends. Look at that. Someone wants to offer you a bouquet, a flower, a celebration, a compliment, a victory, a success. Yeah, friendships, new friendships are coming. Someone might want to date you. You might start a new connection, a new relationship, or you might, connect again with this past person. So, good. Nice. Yeah, tea. Friends, take some time to relax this week because it's very busy for you. So take some time to sit and relax and enjoy with your friends or your family or just by yourself. Strawberry, very, very passionate. You feel very passionate about someone, and someone also feels very passionate about you. It is a very intense connection because it is a past life connection. You feel each other, right? There is this lust. Mushrooms, yeah, lucid dreaming. You're gonna dream a lot, friends. You are dreaming about somebody or about your future. You will get important signs this week about your future. Also, you're feeling very passionate, very passionate. You're very passionate this week. And aeroplane. I feel some of you, are dealing with a person who is in a long distance or it lives in another city or country. You will hear from them. If you have applied to somewhere abroad or some other city or country for work or career, education, you will hear good news from there because you have the Wheel of Fortune. The Leaf. Yeah, you're very busy, friends. You're very busy building a big future for yourself. Also, I feel this leaf is like, you are working so much that you might feel a little, like you don't have, you are going just running. So take care of your routine. Deadlines. This reminds me of deadlines. Flower again. Yeah, someone will compliment you, friend. Someone wants to compliment you. Someone wants to offer you love. Let's see. Three of Cups. Friendships, celebrations are coming for you. Two of Wands. Maturity. Stay stable. Luck. Wheel of Fortune is also here. So luck is with you. A soulmate is important. Mother is important, yeah. Some of you could also be feeling some grandmother issues or mother issues. December is important. Maybe someone is born in December. Twin, yeah, you could be dealing with twin children or twin flame. Seven of Coins. Someone is making you wait and you are very frustrated with it. Why this person doesn't call you, they keep you waiting. March, December and March both are important for you. And Five of Cups, yeah, some disappointments are there. Someone is missing you. You are also missing them. Two of Coins. Two of Coins. Here is the card. Here is the charm. Two of Coins. Stay balanced, friends. It's a very busy week. You need to stay balanced and patient. Prince of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Sage, yeah, someone wise is going to help you, or you are the wise person and you may help somebody younger or someone at your work. Children are important. See, Four of Cups. Take some rest also, friends. Very busy week. September, so wow, you have a lot of months. March, September and December. Ex, yeah, somebody from your ex is also watching you. They want to talk to you. Faith, keep your faith, don't lose hope. And Five of Years, trust issues. Yeah, someone is being dishonest. Deceit. Someone is dishonest, friends. You need to be careful. Maybe someone loves you, they keep denying it, or maybe someone has feelings for you, but they pretend to be your friend. I also feel like someone new will be coming towards you also, but you can't you will deny that you have feelings for the past person, but I feel you are still feeling a lot connected to the past person. You are my sunshine, and my sunshine, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. You make my skies happy. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make my skies happy. Oh, so someone is really missing you, friends. I do feel that, and I feel this is somebody from your past, or you someone new which you have a strong attraction with. You could meet them through your career or your finance or your work. Also, you can check the reading I have done. Who is coming next for you. I have done that reading. I have also done the charms reading. Who you will marry. Go check that out. I think it will help you out, friends. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful orange card, change, let's see what's coming next for you. This is a charms reading. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. Nice, this is beautiful. So, some change is coming, or you are asking for change, you are looking for change, or it is coming for you nevertheless. Let's see what else. These are your oracle messages. This is your advice. I will be pulling your charms shortly. So, let's see. Change, pile number 3. All right. 3 of Springs. Wow, you are feeling very excited about your future, or you want to create some sort of a change in your future or in your current situation. You are working towards changing, you are working towards making your life better this week. I think somewhere you are a little hopeful, you're feeling hopeful or positive about your future, about your, I feel like there is some hope rising for you this week. There is this flicker of hope coming towards you, like, yes, things will be better, things are better, things will, get better for you, and you're working towards it. Plan your next steps with an eye to the long term. Have patience. There are more good things to come. Satisfaction from a job well done. See, you are pretty satisfied with the way you are or where you are currently. Also, I feel you are excited about something right now. Also, what is making you so excited? Let me know in the comment section because I want to know. So you're feeling a little excited about something when you start this week, and you're hopeful about your future. Like, yeah, something will happen in the future, which will make you, something will happen. Things will work out. That's how you feel, and it's a good thing. It's a very positive thing. Out of all the 3 piles today, you are the only one feeling positive. So way to go. Ace of Spring, yeah, you are focused on starting something new. Maybe you have joined a new work, or you are getting a new project, or you are feeling excited about learning something new, changing your looks, changing, maybe the seasons are changing. That's what you are excited about, or you're like, oh, yeah, good things are coming. The season to eat ice creams are coming. Lemonades are coming, those colas. I don't know what you're excited about, but there is something making you excited and hopeful about the future, which is good. I feel some of you are also waiting for some news regarding your work or some, promotion or something. You will achieve it, friends. Yes, it will happen for you. It is time to take action. Be fearless and hopeful. Be fearless and happily pursue your most important dreams, amazing career opportunities. So, yeah, you are ready to start something new. You are already, I think you have already started this thing. Maybe a job, a new business, or you are starting, you have already started a new class. You are very positive, like you have very high ambitions about it. Like, yeah, we will achieve it, we can do it. Yeah, that's how we all start the new year. Yes, this will be our year. And then after 1 week, we are like, oh, this is the same old year. You are very excited, but this week. Also, very passionate about life, very hopeful. 8 of Summer, yeah. I think your happiness is coming from the fact that you have made peace with your past. Like you have ended things. Maybe you left a connection, left a job, left a city, or you have said bye bye to past pain. You are like, I'm done with it. I will no longer bother. In fact, it will no longer bother you, even if you want it. It can't. You're looking forward. Your focus has shifted. It's like, the compass has shifted. You were focused on the past, like pile one in the earlier, but now you guys have shifted to the future. Your focus is on your future. You're not thinking about the past. You're looking forward. And it's a good thing. But I think people from the past are missing you. Somebody whom you left behind. I also feel you don't want to go back to the same old job, same old school or something, so you want some changes and you're working for it. Like changing your job, your career, your schools, your college, universities. Maybe you're passing out of college and joining your first job. Or you're getting your first payment, so congrats. That's good. Also, you're getting a new, a new relationship for some of you. Or you are getting ready to have a new relationship. Star, yes, you are the destiny's sweet child. You are very, very blessed this week. Your creativity is super high. You're gonna feel your health is better. Your mindset is better. So, this is a good week for you, friends. Your creativity is also very, very high. If you are manifesting, you will find instant luck. If you are manifesting money, new start, or a communication or a message from somebody, yes, it will happen for you. It's a strong sign. Also, if you are asking whether you are moving in the right direction, yes, you are moving in the right direction. This is your stars are going to shine. Princess of Spring, you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person this week or in the future. I also feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aquarius or Libra, Gemini person. I feel, there is a person who is, you feel, who's making you feel positive. Maybe you have some new friends which are very positive or which you feel have the same, thinking, liking, likes, dislikes are like you, so you feel excited about it. Also, I feel there is a person, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, who is in your life, but you are not bothered about them anymore. You are like, I'm done with it. It is time to go after your dreams. Do something that expands your horizons. Let your creativity take flight. Yeah, this is a very, very quick week for you. You are very excited about things, and it will go like this, this week. You are focused on changing your life, starting something new. Some of you may even buy some new dresses. You are excited to wear them, so something beautiful is happening. You have a good energy. Ego, the devil. Yeah, I think some of you are looking so excellent this week that a lot of people are lusting after you. They want you, they desire you, they fantasize you. Also, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or someone very egoistic, and you are like, oh, this person is egoistic. It could be a lover, it could be a twin flame, someone you work with. This person is behaving egoistically, but you have learned not to get affected by them. You are also focusing on yourself, and that's pushing the buttons of this person. It's making them mad because you are so happy. They are like, what happened? What happened? I think this person left you to make you feel unhappy, but like you are focused on yourself and you are enjoying, and this person is like, what happened? I do see this person will try to win you back. They will try to change the situation. They will want friendship or love. They want a passionate new start with you. They will try to work. Maybe some of you will say yes, maybe not. It's up to you, but it's 50-50. Some of you may say yes, some not. Also, most of you are working a lot. Your focus is on your career, your future, you're very ambitious. So take care. Don't leave love or friendships out of the picture. I see you saying, like you are not at all focused on love and work. Oh, sorry, love and friendships because of your work. And the soulmate in reverse, Six of Cups. Yeah, you don't want this past person. You just don't want to see their face. You don't even believe they are your soulmate. You are done with people you have known. You want change, friends. No wonder you chose this card. You want change, you are manifesting it. I also feel this person wants you back, but they know you won't be easily saying yes back, saying yes to them. So they will have to work harder to achieve you or win you back. Prince of Spring. Yeah, I think someone new is coming your way, friends. Someone exciting, someone new, someone a very passionate friendship, a very passionate connection, a very union of two creative people at work, in love. So something exciting is happening. This week will go by very fast for you. You will also feel very excited about things, but you don't want this past person. They want you, but you don't want them. Nine of Summers, wishes coming true. Yes, friends. I feel some of you are going to have a new date offer. Some of you are going to have a new job, or some sort of a good news is coming to you. It will make you feel like, yes, my life is changing. My life is going forward. Things are falling into place. I do feel something will happen. I also feel maybe, you're waiting for some news or someone to message you or something. You're manifesting something, friends. It will happen this week, and you will like, yes, finally, we know we are manifesting right. Let's see what else. Woman holding a heart, number 44. Yeah, friends, I do feel someone loves you a lot. They want to share you their heart, their passion. You also love them. But I think you are ready for some new people in your life, new friendships, new business partners, new creative, people. You're looking for that. You don't want this past person, even though they might message you, but you don't want them. The world, yeah, completion. You are ready for change. You want to travel the world. You will be learning or cooking more this week, learning some other, other countries' recipes or something like, Turkish delight or anything, some other recipes. Uh, what do you say that? I've forgotten the Mediterranean food, what you call that? Falafels and all those things, So you're learning, you're very excited about things and cultures of other people. You want to know them. New, you want to know them. Old, you're like, nope. Also, this week you are very ready to move out of your comfort zone. You could be dealing with somebody who is living somewhere far away from you, but you are happy with the distance. It is bringing you more excitement in this connection. Opportunity, yes, some opportunity is coming your way. I told you. Something is coming your way. Get excited, get ready. You won't have time to prepare then. Openness, stay open, friends. Something big is happening for you, something you are planning, something, and you have the new moon and the full moon. So, something may happen. We just had a full moon, so the next new moon, something will happen for you. So, stay open, keep your mind open. Things can get better than you expect. Let's see your advice. Wow, it's time to take action. New moon in Aries. Ooh. So yes, friends, it's time to take action for your life, for your, desires, your love life. Maybe some of you are planning to go back to dating, saying yes to relationships. So go for it. Let me just pull you a romance angels because something is going here. I don't know what is going. A lot is going actually in your love life. Pile 3. Then I'll pull your charms. Religious factors, yeah. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So, yeah, there is somebody from different religion culture, which is important. As I told you, different religions, cultures are attracting you. Also, you don't want somebody from your past, you want somebody new. Honeymoon, enjoy the bliss of a holiday time together. So definitely some of you may be going for travel, or someone from another city or country is important and they are visiting or thinking of you. So nice. Let's see your charms now. Option number 3. What will happen? What's next for them? Alright, we have a lot of charms. Let's see. Let's just, oops. There's a hair strand here. Wow, I see gate here. Oh god, attachment. Look at that. You again have these lot of mini cards. Lot of dates also. Numbers. Let's see, friends. Let's see your first letters. I see the word gate here, so maybe you're waiting for your opportunity or you're waiting for a house or property to be yours. Oh my god, you are dealing with an ex also. Good lord. So yeah, I think an ex-lover or a person wants to come back, but they are not sure whether you will accept them or not. They are waiting for the right time. They might message you, surprise you, gift you something this week. So gate is important. X, I also see Vex. But I see it like wedding. So wedding is also important. Maybe you wanna get married or your person wanna get married. So there, the initials are GATEWEX. Hello, I'm yours. Yeah, someone loves you a lot, friends. I think you don't love them. You love them, but you are like, nah, don't want. Number 12 is important for you. Number 99 is important. So number 9, number 12, number 17, number 18, 17, 18 are important. Pink hat. Yeah, some you take care of yourself, friends. I think someone new may also be coming, which is like a friend who has some passionate feelings for you, or you may develop some feelings for somebody, like new romance, softness, friendships, attachment. Someone is very attached to you, they are thinking about you. The boxing gloves, yeah, you don't, this person is quite a devil. Look, where is that? They are quite either a workaholic, or they don't listen to you. They are quite egoistic, they want to do everything their own way. It's causing a problem. It's a very push and pull kind of a relationship you're dealing with, but I think your focus on work is going to help you. It will make you feel positive. Two hats are here, so again, see, it's like power struggle. They want to dominate you, you want to dominate them, so it's like, what's happening? Twin flame, yeah, you guys could be twin flames. Also, infinity is money coming your way, so get ready. And you have the love couch, look at that. So, yes, the chair of love. Yeah, so someone new is coming your way. I feel like some new romance. Also, someone wants to marry you, but they keep fighting. Or the situation is complex. It's complicated. But marriage is the issue. Maybe you are both from different religions, cultures. Their families becoming an issue. So it's complicated. But you have the angel feather, so you will find solutions. Don't worry. Not just angel's feather, you also have the angel heart, the winged heart. So your heart is safe, your future is safe, don't worry. Passionate. Passion is your theme for this week. You are very passionate about your future. The iron, focus on new things, focusing on fixing things. Also, iron, you are buying a new iron, or you need a new iron, because Mercury is still retrograde. It will come out this week. So, yeah, it will go direct this week. Oh, sorry, friends, very sorry for that. The wind chime. I think someone wants to sing a song for you, or they might sing a song for you. The wind chime. Changes are coming, positive changes which are destined for you. Butterfly, again, a change, look at that. You chose this card, change. That's the theme. The leaf, saying bye bye to the past. Ship, maybe you are dealing with someone in the navy, or someone from the forces, or from merchant, or something like that, a businessman. Also, long distance, another city, country is important. Yup, you have UK here. You also have this little eye. So keep your eyes open, friends. Keep your eyes open. Time is important, friends. You may feel like you have to achieve everything tonight or this week, but you have time, so don't worry. Don't be a workaholic. Eight of Wands, very busy, lot of communications coming, lot of attraction, lot of passion. Star, you have your wish is coming true. I think you had the star card earlier also. Look at that. Wish is coming true, the star. Okay. Let's see what else. Oops. Does forgiveness. Someone wants peace. Five of Wands. Competition is high, friends. If you are going for an interview or for an exam, competition is tough, but you can win it because you are so strong and powerful. You will win it. Ten of Cups. Family is important for most of you this week. Soulmate, yeah. Marriage, family, all those things are important. Moon, yeah. Someone's mood changes, someone's mood is swinging. Mood swings, but they sometimes are very lusty, sometimes they are very controlling, sometimes they are very sweet, so you have to be a little careful. Sage, be wise. Four of Wands, marriage. Yes, twin flame, marriage is important. Twin flame, Nine of Cups, wish is coming true. You had the Nine of Cups, here it is. Nine of Cups, wish is coming true. And the Seven of Coins. Keep your patience, friends. Don't lose your patience. It is a very fast week. I don't think you will need to be patient because you won't even realize where the week went by. Inspiration. You're very, very inspirational to many people. Don't doubt yourself. Something big is coming your way, friends. And that's for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.